for stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just, every now and then we're all gonna be broken a little bit, and I've been trying to hold back a lot of stuff since lately, and I finally decided to come and tell you guys a little bit about it, because I mean we can all take so much, and I don't feel like I can oh boy. Hey guys, so as you can see in this video, I know I sound a little bit hoarse. I couldn't even let the sound stay on it because I was so broken up doing this video. It's a lot of hurt right here. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys about a recent breakup. Well, a breakup that I've been going through for so long. It's just messing with me, It's killing me inside. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. And I feel like I want to tell you guys about it. So I hope that you guys can give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I know. But sometimes it's okay to cry, Sometimes it's the best to cry and just let it all out. And just, I don't do stuff like this. I don't normally cry for people to see and stuff, but I was making my video and I broke down and I just decided to post it. So I know a lot of people are going to judge, but y'all can judge because y'all don't know what I'm feeling. So judge. That's okay. But it's okay, baby girl. It's okay to cry. Just let it all out, As I said, this breakup it's just a lot. It's just a whole lot. And in this video, you're going to understand why it hurts so much, It really does hurt to just lose people that you care about. It hurts a lot. Trust me. Okay, so I basically was just thinking about, imagine, right? Finding somebody that actually gets you, that actually cares about you, genuinely cares about you. But because you're so hung up on people and your past relationships, your past hurts, it's just like every time you find somebody that actually cares, you don't even know that they do because you keep thinking about what you've been through and what that person did to you. You can't even give the person that is in front of you, standing right there right now, a real chance to get to know you, to get to appreciate you. And that hurts you hit different. Trust me, this hurt hits fucking different. It's very hard, It's hard seeing people that actually give a fuck about you, trying to make you see that, and you can't even give them the chance because you're too afraid to move on. You're too afraid to get hurt. And Jano, this just did lick me for 6. I had to mute the whole video, guys. I couldn't even make an ear on my cry, but on my ball awful. Yeah, I had to mute the video. And yeah. I was just letting it out. I couldn't keep it bottled in no longer. I had to let it go. Get it out there, just get it out. Basically, what happened is, oh my God. Oh my world. Okay, I need to snap out of this. I'm so sorry, guys. I know I'm supposed to be talking to you guys, but it's just so much, And every time I feel like telling you guys this story, I end up start crying again. I just feel so broken right now. I've never felt like this. Boy. So, I know that it's just been so hard, you know, trying to do right, trying to make sure that you you just always do the right thing. And it doesn't matter, like, it doesn't matter how hard you try. It doesn't matter how much you try to make sure that everything is perfect, everything is okay. Like, you got people tearing you down, you got people talking bad about you, you got people making it look like you're the worst, you know. And I know sometimes that you feel like you want to give up, you just feel like you want to throw in the towel and say, yo, fuck it. But it best we just let it out. Like, it's okay to cry, it's okay to let it go, it's okay to let it out, and just know that it is what it is. It is what it is. Imagine, like, being with somebody for a while and that person is just disrespectful, like just pure freaking disrespect, and no matter how hard you try to, like, move on, let that person go, it's just so freaking hard. Like, you don't even know how to let go. And yeah, I had to mute the video again, guys, because I started breaking down again. As I'm telling you, it's a lot. It's just a whole freaking lot, and I'm honestly not even know if I make me really and truly understand what I talk about. But just know that life have ups and downs, and it hard sometimes for push for good people, just for satisfy the world, you know. We can never choose happiness, because sometimes, yo, Jano, can't bother. Can't bother. Right, yes, so I'm laughing right now, but I cried until my lashes started flip-flopping and tears something. My face is a mess, my hair is a mess, my mood is a mess. Can't bother, I don't like how I'm feeling right now, but... Oh yeah, I had to mute this video too. I had to mute it because, swear to God, I don't sound properly talking to you guys in that video. I've been contemplating if I should post this too, but I'm just gonna post it. I'm just gonna post it. It is what it is. Me, I just post it and done. And as I say, me, I look out for the judgmental people, them judge, but nothing to me. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yes, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See them here showing me eyelash, then we pop off again. Can't but I'm feel frustrated. Stress right out. Can't do it.